Breaking news. We have a volcanic eruption in Indonesia. I repeat, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia.
Call it magic when I'm with you, and I just got broke.
This is a revolution. There has been an earthquake in Indonesia. Here is some live footage. This is a catastrophe for our country. Let's explore more. So when two continental plates collide, rock layers are forced upwards, creating mountains. This is an example of a subduction zone. As you can see, when plates converge, one is drawn slowly beneath the other. So this is just a diagram of how a volcano is erupted. The magma goes to the vent, which is the main pipe, and the layers of solid rock form during the early eruptions, and the magma flows through up to the crater and just flows from there. Most of Indonesia's volcanoes are part of the Sunda Arc, a 3,000 kilometer long line of volcanoes extending from the Sumatra to the Banda Sea. Most of these volcanoes are the result of subduction of the Australian plate beneath the Eurasia plate, while volcanoes in the Banda Sea are from the Pacific plate going under the Eurasia plate. The Pacific Ring of Fire is an area where a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. This place is mainly found in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonics and the movement and collisions of lithospheric plates, and Indonesia is part of the Ring of Fire. So the crust is the outer layer of the earth. There are two different types of crust: continental crust, which carries land, and oceanic crust, which carries water. The mantle is the widest section of the earth and is made up of semi-molten rock called magma. The outer core surrounds the inner core and is the liquid layer, and the inner core is the hottest part of the earth, is known as the engine. Because there are so many hotspots in Indonesia to choose from, we decided to choose Bengkalis Island as our island to help us predict the rate of movement of plates. In order for us to predict the movement of plates, we would have to use the formula of island distance from hotspot divided by the island's age multiplied by 0.1 to convert from kilometers per million years to centimeters per year, then rounded off to the nearest 10. So the distance of our island from the nearest hotspot is 1,254 kilometers, which we have decided to divide by the island's age, which is 58, then multiply by 0.1, then round off for the nearest 10th, which gives us our prediction of the rate of movement of plate to be 2.16 centimeters per year.